Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error code on the PlayStation 5 WS-116483-3 when there's a problem connecting to the server. Now, this happens when you're trying to download something like an update or a game, and it simply won't connect to the server. Now, what we want to try is to go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go on down to Users and Accounts, and then go on down to Other, go to the right, and go to Restore Licenses, and select this. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses, and that might take about 5 minutes to go ahead and accomplish. Then you can back out here, and then go to Console Sharing and Offline Play, and make sure this is enabled on your specific account. So mine says disabled because I already have it enabled. Then also you could try signing out of your PlayStation account and then signing back in, and you will need your email address and password to sign back in. Then what we want to do is go to the main setting menu and go to Network right here and select this, going down to Settings, then go to Set up Internet Connection, then find your currently connected internet. So I'm connected to my LAN cable, Mr. Beast. Press Options on it, and then go to Advanced Settings. Now under here, go on down to where it says DNS Settings, and switch it to manual instead of automatic. Then go to the primary DNS and type in 1.1.1.1. Then press R2 and go to the secondary DNS and type in 1.0.0.1. Then press R2 and go to MTU settings and type in 1472. So make sure this is set to manual. Then type in 1472. Then go to OK and see if that works. Now if that doesn't work, another thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, then go on over to Power, and go to Turn Off PlayStation 5, and then go over to your router and your modem, and completely unplug those from the wall outlet as well, and restart your entire network at your house, and leave that unplugged for about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in, and see if this fixes your issue on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.